Good morning. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi. I'll just let everyone get on. Good morning. I think it might be a little bit early. It's not quite 10 o'clock, is it? I just went live because I was ready. I didn't even check the time. Sorry, a little bit early for once. This never happens. And actually, we were early for preschool today. Maybe I've turned a corner. Hope you're all okay, guys. I don't have a cup in hand. I've actually already gulped it because I was on stories before. So I hope you're all right. I'm on the floor because I'm in the lounge today. We're going to do, I've got a little floor activity for us, an easy peasy one. I know I say that all easy peasy, but trust me, this is easy peasy. No skills required whatsoever for this one today. Good morning, hope you're all right. Hi Facebook, anyone on Facebook? I've just spotted a trainer under my sofa. Size of it looks like Mason's. I bet I've been looking for that one. Hope you're all right. Good morning. Baby Play Monday today. Welcome to Baby Play Monday. Great. Don't worry if you've got older ones and you're watching anyway. Absolutely fine. I'm sure they'll enjoy this one too. I'm sure Mason, who's forward, enjoy this one if he got home and played with this. So absolutely fine. Good morning. Hi, Leanne. Hello. Thanks. Nice to see you. So I hope you're all right. I did actually have another activity planned and I had it all ready and then did my usual thing of I thought I'll just have a little look in, because I do actually use these. These are my Baby Play prompts. I had a quick look in here and it was literally one of the top ones. You watch, I won't be able to find it now. Let's see if I can find it. I flicked through and I saw it. I should have had this ready, shouldn't I? No. I'm not going to be able to find it. No. There we go. Found it. So this morning activity, I did have it ready and I was like, shall I do this? You know, some days I don't know. I have to be feeling it. I have to feel the energy. So I wasn't really feeling it this morning. I thought, what else could I do? So I went and grabbed my Baby Play prompts, which are these. Good morning. I did have a lovely Mother's Day. Thank you. That's very kind. Sorry, I've just lost you. Thank you for the freebie download. You're very welcome. Very welcome. If anyone hasn't got it, please check your inbox. I have sent them all out now to anyone that's newly subscribed or previously subscribed. If anyone's wondering what I'm talking about, you can get a free pack of play prompts. It's like a downloadable version of play prompts to support little ones with their name. So if anyone's on my emailing list, you just go to playHOORAY.co.uk and pop your details in. And I promise, I try not to bombard. Well, I don't bombard because I haven't got time to be writing all those emails. I try and send out stuff that's useful and any discount codes and anything like that, just to let you know what's going on. So yeah, if you want to sign up to our email list, the play post, then there's a free downloadable pack in there. If you do have a baby, it's going to be a little bit old for you, but it's just to help little ones start recognising their name. Something I'm asked about lots, and I thought it'd be nice to do a freebie for you. So that's on there. Good morning. So I did have an activity ready, and I changed my mind. So I went into my play prompts. These are my packs of play prompts, if you don't know them already. 100 activity cards are things to do with your baby, using stuff you've already got at home, you know that. I have got loads of packs, so if you're thinking, oh, my baby's a little bit older, I've got loads of different packs now. We've got over like 25 in the range. So yeah, have a little look on there because they can be really helpful and I use them as well for doing my activities. So this one is from the pack this morning and it says lay a bed sheet on the floor with cushions scattered underneath to create an obstacle course for your baby to negotiate and crawl around. So this is a brilliant one to do if you have an active baby. Lots of you comment, get in touch to say that either you've got a crawler or you've got a bum shuffler, or you've got one of the cruisers. You know, when they're at that point where they're pulling themselves up on the furniture and they move along, holding on, but they're really practicing their walking, or you might have a new walker, anything like that. This is a really lovely activity to do. One, because it's dead easy to set up, and two, just really great for all their physical skills, for their core strength, for lots of negotiating, getting to know their bodies, getting to know